Are you looking at the rising interest in full-body, low-impact workouts from home? Rowing machines have become a top choice for fitness enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned rower or a beginner looking to improve endurance and strength, these machines offer efficiency, space-saving design, and modern tech features. In this guide, we evaluate the best rowing machines based on resistance type. List 9. Hydrow Wave Rowing Machine with 16-inch HD touchscreen and speakers. Foldable. Live home workouts. The Hydrow Wave is a premium, immersive rowing machine that brings live and on-demand studio classes right into your home. With a 16-inch HD touchscreen, front-facing speakers, and a sleek, foldable design, it's perfect for those who want to feel like they're rowing on water without leaving their living room. Its electromagnetic resistance system mimics real rowing, while its seamless app integration offers world-class coaching and scenic routes. The machine supports a full-body workout that targets 86% of your muscles with every stroke. Although it sits at the higher end of list number, Hydrow Water Rowing Machine for Home, 330-pound weight capacity, Bluetooth and app compatible. The Hydrow Water Rowing Machine offers an authentic rowing experience with its water-based resistance system, delivering a smooth and natural feel similar to actual watercraft rowing. Built for durability with a 330-pound weight capacity, it's well-suited for a range of users. The machine features Bluetooth connectivity, allowing it to sync with popular fitness apps like KinoMap and FitShow, enhancing your workout tracking and motivation. Its LCD monitor tracks time, distance, calories, and strokes, while the solid steel frame ensures long-term stability. The clear water tank and sleek wood finish add aesthetic value to your home gym. Overall, list 9. Yosuda Magnetic Water Rowing Machine for Home. Rower machine with Bluetooth and app support. Yosuda delivers versatility with this hybrid rowing machine, offering both magnetic and water resistance, giving users the best of both worlds. Designed for home use, it features Bluetooth capability and supports multiple fitness apps, which is ideal for goal tracking and virtual training. The ergonomic seat, non-slip pedals, and smooth glide rail ensure comfort during intense sessions. It also includes a quiet drive system, making it excellent for shared spaces. The rower supports a full-body workout and can handle users of various sizes. Assembly is straightforward, and the compact footprint is a bonus for smaller rooms. Overall, list number Winokur Magnetic Rower Machine for Home, 350 lb capacity, whisper quiet with LCD monitor and tablet holder. The Winokur Magnetic Roller is designed with a focus on durability and quiet operation, supporting up to 350 pounds, making it an excellent choice for heavier users or households with multiple users. Its 16 levels of adjustable magnetic resistance allow for scalable workouts from beginner to advanced. The LCD monitor provides real-time feedback on time, strokes, calories, and distance. And the built-in tablet holder lets you enjoy the entertainment or virtual classes while rowing. Its smooth glide rail and whisper-quiet design make it perfect for early morning or late-night workouts without disturbing. List number Hardware's Magnetic Rowing Machine, 77 pounds flywheel, 16 resistance levels, quiet rowing machine for home. If you're after intense resistance and advanced performance, the Hardware's Magnetic Rowing Machine stands out with its 77 pounds high-inertia flywheel, delivering smooth yet powerful resistance across 16 levels. This magnetic rower is perfect for strength building and cardio-focused sessions alike. The sturdy construction and ergonomic features, such as a cushioned seat, non-slip handlebars, and secure foot pedals, provide a comfortable and stable experience. The quiet resistance system ensures it won't interfere with conversations or TV time. The LCD monitor offers key workout stats, and the compact design with